This video is for Relay for Life of Second Life 2011, and this is about the event board project and a little thing I've thrown in on the side, which is a poster, which is to try to help save time for the team setting up their events. Basically what it is you put your event in here, and as you know, it goes on the event boards. Hopefully you're doing your best to get those out all over the grid, because every time somebody takes a note card off one of those, even at your location, it might go to a different team, it might go to a different location, they might find out something different, but they're going to go to places and other people from those locations are going to come to you as well. So it's going to help you a lot to do your best to get those out to places that don't relay. So that would be the whole purpose of the event board project. On the other hand, at your own location, you of course want to push and advertise your own event that's going to be at your own location. So if I call it, Dwen's Rock and Roll Club or whatever, I want to not only have an event board there that has my event advertised, but I also want to have a little poster that's giving my locals, my regulars, information about the event directly and constantly. So we're going to have a little poster here like this, and I'm going to show you how it's going to work. I'm going to drop an event in the event board. Hopefully it's going to let me right now. I don't know why I'm trying to edit it, but 7074, I'm going to add the event board, and we're going to go ahead and drop all the pieces it needs in there. This is not the instructions on how to do this. That will be a much more detailed video, but for the moment I'm doing that using ridiculously huge fonts again. And no, you can't read all of it, but that's okay. Hey, look, a note card giving poster for you. Right click on me and choose buy, and over here you can't see it, it says for L $0. 0 lindens. So that's going to go ahead and it's going to create the whole event, blah 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 blah. But this is the piece we're here to talk about. I can actually walk myself over here. If I click on this, it'll give me the note card that I just put in. Oh, it's not letting me get rid of it. Okay, here, I'll just drag it off screen. There we go. So here we go, and there's my texture on there. If I click it, I get the same note card, and I'm going to discard it for the moment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to say buy. It's going to charge me exactly 0 linden. I have a copy of it, and here's the fun part. That's going to always be there. It will not delete itself, whatever. It's just going to be there for whoever needs it. I don't know if it's showing up on this video. It probably is that the walls of this office have not rezzed for some reason. Never a dull moment in Second Life. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to go drag that out of inventory, which I can't do because I'm in the wrong group to res here. It's not letting me because I've already got it open down here. Okay, AC Office activate. Here we go. Now I can drag this here and res it out. Okay, so there's my little poster. Now, if you look in my inventory, it's no mod. If you come out here, it's mod, completely mod. You can modify this object. And the reason it's completely mod is because there was another script in here called the setup script that puts the texture up here. It gets the texture from the inbox, and it gets the note card from the inbox. It also does one other thing, and it sets the description of it sets the name to the number of the event. It also sets the description to the expiration. So this will sit here anywhere I res it, and if I click on it, it'll offer me the note card for the event, and it will delete itself when it's done. So you have that extra speed up your life a little bit by having it do that for you. Texture, you'll probably think it's hideous. The back doesn't even match at the moment. I should fix that. It looks like hardwood floor. And you can completely modify this, and by completely mod I do mean you can change any of the features, the textures, the object twists, and all that fun stuff, and the script that gives out the stuff. And the script that's in here is currently set to find out the name of the first note card in inventory and give that to whoever clicks on it. There's another line in here to find out the name of the first texture in inventory and give that to whoever clicks on it as well. However, that line is commented out, so if you take these two out, it'll give them the texture as well. Why you'd want to do that, I don't know, but I figure I have it, might as well offer you that option. So the rest of the script does nothing other than tell it to wait every 10 minutes, and if it's later than the hour listed in the expiry of the event, delete itself. And this is why mine doesn't delete itself over there. It will always be there because it won't expire. So that's it, just trying to speed things up a little for you. And if you need any assistance, of course, as usual, dwenduli@gmail.com. Thanks, and go relay.